Aww.
More. You want that? Okay. Ooh. Hi, Mom.
Hi.
I'm done now. I don't want more than 4 reps. The bar weighs twice that.
Well, you gotta keep doing it. Like if you're carrying the 20 pounds for like
Yeah, but
multiple hours.
She wouldn't like it.
Yeah, that's true. You want it on the seat? Daddy want to help her on the seat?
Yeah, you have to get on the seat? Okay, come here. Why do you have something green on your arms?
Might be a snack pea. Are you rocking? You're rocking.
I got this figured out. Oh.
It's almost like a swing, but a little different.
You want help? Here, buddy. Want help?
Is that pretty good? Now I can look at the birdies. Are you looking at birdies?
Mm-hmm.
Bird, 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 bird. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
She wants to go fast.
Apparently.
Shaken baby syndrome! Shaken baby syndrome! Oh no! You're gonna give yourself self-induced shaken baby syndrome. Oh no. Don't do that. Don't do that. More.
Faster, 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 Daddy. Faster, faster. Faster, faster, faster.
Are you gonna be an extreme sports girl? Is that gonna be it? You're gonna be like, yeah, I'll go with Daddy. Only I'm jumping out of the airplane. Mm-hmm. Skydiving, let's go.
Open the canopy, Dad.
Eject, eject. Oh no.
Hi, Jordy.
Let's see, what do you think? We could do bungee jumping? Would that be fun? You could dangle by your toenails? No. Extreme sports. What other extreme sports could we have her do? Parkour? Does that count as an extreme sport?
Sure. Snowboarding off the cliff? Yeah, that's pretty extreme.
Heli-skiing or something. Yeah, actually, that's fun. You've done stuff like that, haven't you? Jen's taken you out crazy stuff like that.
No, we haven't gone heli-skiing.
No?
No. That's
If you like backcountry, it's fun.
No. My snowboard doesn't do too well on deep snow.
Oh. I've got a set of really nice fat skis. Awesome for that kind of stuff. Oh, hi, Jordy.
Hi, Jordy. Jordy says your finger tastes good. What you got on your fingers?
Buddy, you're gonna... Yeah, I know. Here, let's fix the cushion. Cushion's got all screwed up for you. Okay. There you go. Now you're all settled in on your cushion, not sitting down on the underneath it.
Hey, Dad.
I'd be fine just sitting here for hours. I'm good. Mm-hmm.
I like this.
I need to build a little mechanism that just sits here and rocks this thing and just leave her there. I'd be like, okay, cool.
She has her own rocking chair.
Mm-hmm.
It doesn't rock, though.
But that's hers and it doesn't rock.
Yeah, you have to rock it for her. She just looks so chill, looking at the birds. Like father, like daughter.
See birds?
Birds?
Yeah.
Yes, I want to see birds.
Okay, come here.
Yay, birds!
Yes, the birds. Hey, birds. The birds need to be vacuumed. We made a
Yeah.
mess again.
Yeah, bird, bird. Those the birdies? Hello, birdies.
Does the birdie want to come out today? You guys want to be outside birds? No, we're not going to be outside birds.
No outside birds. Hi, birds.
The birds say, we don't trust that little Lucy. She's
Hello,
bratty."
birds.
And she's a whole lot bigger than us, so that's scary.
Hello, birdies.
Yeah. I know, look at them go.
Is he hiding? Yes, he's hiding behind the fluff.
You see the little head. Look, he's playing peekaboo with you, kind of.
Yeah, is he playing peekaboo?
See?
Yes.